Welcome back to another edition of Godlan Tech Talks. My name is Garrett Kramer, and I'm your host. I'm super happy to be here today. Today we have a great question to answer. But before we get into all that, what the heck is a Godlan Tech Talk? If you're brand new to us, and this is the first time you're checking it out, Godlan Tech Talks are designed to answer questions from our customers, our consultants, and our partners that come up related to ERP, manufacturing, and the technology that surrounds it and helps us deliver amazing for our customers. Today's question comes in from another customer, and it came in through chat, and the question was this: what is CPQ? Oh my goodness, great question. What the heck is CPQ? I've heard of PDQ, but I've never heard of CPQ. Well, I'm super glad you asked, and let's dive in. CPQ is a business software solution. CPQ stands for Configure, Price, and Quote. That actually allows you to configure the item that you'd like to purchase, price it out, and generate a quote. And it allows you to do that as a consumer of the product. Think of the ability to go on and design something on the internet. If you've gone on and gone to a custom t-shirt maker and you're going to make custom t-shirts, they use a CPQ tool on the front of that website to help you design those t-shirts. Now we can get into much more complicated processes with CPQ, but in essence, it's going to allow you it's going to work together with your ERP and your CRM, and it's going to produce quotes for you that are according to a pre-programmed set of rules, ensuring that your quotes are error-free, that your pricing is right, that your quantities are there, discounts are set in, any customizations are accounted for, and any other optional features are included in the product that the customers order. With CPQ, you get an intuitive product configuration engine where, just like the t-shirt manufacturer that we talked about, they can actually go in and design the product that they need. We can do auto-generated 3D, 2D, and 3D product imagery. Imagery. I don't know why that word was so hard. We have comprehensive quoting and ordering system, automated documentation so that our sales team gets the right stuff to the engineers, and engineers can get the right stuff to the manufacturing floor. It comes with a robust sales portal, and we can specialize it to your specific industry. We work with dozens of configure to order and engineer to order manufacturers that love to use CPQ. It can be external customer facing, it can be internal facing, where your engineers go through and actually configure stuff, or your sales folks configure things while they're on the phone with a customer. The other things you can do with CPQ is you can actually make it easier for retailers and distributors to quote your products and add-ons and different services and provide a single integrated quote in one place. It makes it super easy to keep your brand in front of your customers and reach more people to grow your sales. You can speed up and simplify the creation of new products. CPQ allows you to roll out new features and pricing electronically, exactly according to your plan. Minor changes can be made at any time depending on the changing needs. The other thing you can do is you actually see projected profit all the way through the quoting process. This is going to allow sales reps to upsell more effectively. And with all this information at your fingertips, it becomes natural to suggest more and better improvements to the order that are going to help your customer. Last but not least, CPQ creates bombs on the fly that integrate right into your ERP system. So as they store the instructions, they're going to go into the fulfillment process. These dynamic instructions are generated 2D, 3D drawings, clearly show the final assembly, reducing errors, and ensuring that you create the right product the first time. If you want more information, you can check us out at godlan.com, godlancpq.com, or you can scan the QR code at the bottom. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, have an amazing day.